Today, we're going to be setting up the Wiegand Wave. In order to complete the setup, you will need your central and remote units, 2 antennas, 1 per unit, 1 8-inch flathead screwdriver, and 2 16 to 24 volts AC or DC power supply, 1 per unit. First, we need to pair the units. Start by screwing on the included antenna, ensuring that it's tight enough that it won't fall over or swing freely in any position. Complete this on both units. Before mounting, connect both units to temporary power. Then check that all dip switches are set to the up position and hold the pair/test button for both units until the LEDs illuminate 3 times. Next, set dip switch 4 down for the central unit and up for the remote unit. Set dip switch 3 down to enable pairing mode on both units. Press the pair/test button briefly on the central unit to finalize the pairing process. Once all 6 RSSI LEDs light up, set dip switch 3 to up on both units. Go on ahead and disconnect from that temporary power. With pairing complete, it's time to mount and wire the units. Install each unit in a high, dry, and clear location. The Wiegand Wave is not water resistant. Connect the 16 to 24 volts AC or DC power to the red terminal block on both units. Verify that the RSSI LEDs on both units illuminate every 30 seconds. This confirms successful pairing. For the remote unit, connect access readers to the green Wiegand terminal blocks. For the central unit, connect the access panel to the green Wiegand terminal blocks. Finally, let's test the connection. Press pair/test and confirm blinking LEDs on both units. Test a fob on the access readers when connected to a central access control panel to ensure everything is functioning as expected. You've successfully set up and tested your Wiegand Wave. To learn more about our device, find our user guide at our website etherrf.com.